Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Daoverse token. Ticker symbol is DVRS. This token is up 4.97% today. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Daoverse.online is their official webpage. They have their BSC scan here listed on CoinMarketCap, along with their Medium, Twitter, Telegram, GitHub, full white paper, price chart, contract address. All of that is available on CoinMarketCap. Now, if you want to buy this token, it is listed on a central exchange. You can get it off a couple smaller central exchanges, or you can get this off of Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there. If you're looking to get this token, basically all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DVRS, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you would simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Cool thing here is that they have a full CERTIC audit listed on CoinMarketCap. They are the leading crypto auditors, CERTIC, so it's good to see that they have that listed right on CoinMarketCap. Easy to find the link. If you go on their BSC scan, it says they have 5,233 holders so far. So they're doing very well. 7,548 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token, and a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Also on their BSC scan, you can find their webpage, contact email, Medium articles, Twitter, Telegram, full white paper, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap listings. So it goes over what is a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. If you need to go over that, you could find that on their white paper. We're not going to go over that today. That's pretty straightforward here. But they have on their webpage framework, features, tokenomics, roadmap, contact, email, audit. You can launch their DApp. All their socials are on here. It says, welcome to Daoverse. Daoverse is the revolutionary farm-as-a-service project that operates on the Binance Smart Chain. The project is designed to allow users to passively earn rewards from yield farming across various networks. So there is staking, and that is new on their webpage with a big new sign on it. So you can now stake your tokens on here as well. So about Daoverse, decentralized finance and trustless stablecoin. Daoverse is a revolutionary farm-as-a-service project designed in a way that allows users to passively earn yield in the form of staking rewards from top-tier projects in the form of DVRS rewards. Our mission is to use treasury funds allocated from users towards NFT game development, 3D and Metaverse VR games, along with investing directly into teams and corporations that have a long team vision on Metaverse games and play to earn. This will be achieved through community voting as per majority decisions made by the Metaverse DAO members. A new standard in the Metaverse, making your life easier anytime, anywhere. It's stable, secure, and instant. 100% collateralized by cryptocurrency and price stable through blockchain technology. Programmable digital money that anyone can safely store, transfer, and interact with. Permissionless, open for anyone to use, send, and open to be used anytime, anywhere. And the framework is blockchain agnostic. It says blockchain agnosticism adds another layer of decentralization into Daoverse's system. We aspire to create a new standard for digital money where anyone can mint stable-priced coins without requiring to have a specific crypto asset. With powerful partners that let us integrate their tokens to use as collateral, the goal of Daoverse is to keep expanding the possibilities of a decentralized stablecoin model. So tokenomics and token distribution here, it says Dvrs contract has 0 tax fees. All future development is made with pre-allocated tokens. Trade Dvrs with ease. Exponential rewards supported in our native token through the metaverse. A non-inflationary token with a fixed supply and 0 tax fees on any transaction made with the Dvrs smart contract. Each token provides an equal portion or proportion of DAO governance. The more invested you are in the token, the greater the ability and recommended and enforce investing guides. So it has different links to buy the token on here. Mexc Global is their newest listing there. That's their biggest one yet. So 10% of the tokens go to public sale, 5% go to private sale, 5% go to strategic partners, 1% legal, 2% foundation, 1% advisors, 11% laboratory, 25.5% marketing, 8% Daoverse ecosystem, 14.5% rewards, 12% team, 5% company. So their partners and listings are on here like Tech Audit, Nomics, Digital Journal, Certic, Market Watch, BSC Scan, CoinSniper.net, Watcher Guru, CoinMarketCap, Mexc Global. So their roadmap is on here as well, starting in April 2022. It says our primary focus is to grow the staking pool and engage investors with our DAO. So they started with Daoverse launch. Then the audit report, swap DApp is live, marketing operation initiates. Then August, the IEO Dvrs launch. Then marketing expands, staking live, listing on a central exchange. Then further partnerships, general cross-chain expansion, more central exchange listings, NFT launch. Then Daoverse Bank, rebranding of the Metaverse DAO, general cross-chain expansion, NFT drop, Daoverse Bridge, Tier 1 central exchange listings, in-person events, public figures join, Metaverse Pro, and then they're going to have protocol-owned liquidity as a service and cross-chain liquidity. Don't miss any updates. You can sign up for their newsletter at the bottom of their webpage, daoverse.online. Check out that Mexc Global referral code where you can find this token listed. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.